let's see what if the grease I just to sharpen. Unsharpen that finger.
So we're going to be brushing the piece, and we're starting with removing the polish. Nick is the operator. Go ahead. He's using a metal tool to remove the polish. Knock off the polish so the brushes will have a better grip. Half a piece is all we need. Just two half pieces. All right? Yeah. Good. See, that's the area where we remove the polish. 36 is the first grit. He's putting now the Frankfurt plate on it. And we're ready to roll. We're going to install the brushes. And they slide right in into the plate. This particular plate takes 3 brushes. Water. And we're on. He's not going to go through all the sequence: 36, 46, 60, 120, 220, 400, 600, 800, and the like. So that's the different steps. Work the material in different ways. You know, you're going to start with texturing with the beginning, and then you sort of bring in more of a color with the, after the 120, the color comes in, and 600, 800 with the gloss. And the gloss starts coming in as well. So he's now on the 46 grit, and he's going to continue. Keep changing tools. That plate is actually very versatile. It takes maybe less than 2 minutes to change the abrasive. The mallet you see there is what the operator uses to pop those abrasives out and put it back in. So it's a relatively easy operation. He's now on the 300 grit, and he keeps moving the brushes so not to leave any tool marks. And he's feeling the piece as well to make sure that the texture is uniform throughout the piece. I mean, that's really the trick, to make sure that you end up with a finish that's pleasing and that's uniform. Go ahead, keep going. He's removing the... He's installing it. You can use your hand to pull it in, but it's better to use the mallet to remove it. He's done it many times. He's got a good eye. checking the piece. Okay, still going up. The noise is actually changed. The brush, between the finish and the different consistency of the brush, the noise they produce changes completely. So we went from a very harsh scratching noise to a smooth, noise now. He's opening the bricks a little bit better, going on the rough side of the slab, moving a little bit so that we can then land on the piece and have the bit completely open. You can transfer over the slab now, it's okay.
Good to go over there now?
Yeah. Leave the clamp there because we're going to need it for the other grit.
Now as far as pressure with this here now.
A little bit more than you had before. That's the last step. We used all the way to a 1200 fusion on this one. As you can see, there's a lot of gloss. That's the headlight on top. That's me waving. A lot of color, a lot of gloss, and there is no chemical application. There's no ager, nothing on this surface yet. So I gotta say thank you to the two guys that did it. And now he's finishing it up with a little bit of ager just to deepen up the color. You probably can see in the light you don't see how much, but look at this, really in difference. The color intensifies with the ager. The gloss is though coming from all the polishing they did with the tooling. So you get the texture, the color, and this is the guy.
That's right.